Friends, Xiaomi Poco X3 comes with Android 10, MIUI 12 and powered by Snapdragon 732G processor with octa-core 2.3 GHz and GPU Adreno 618. Whereas Poco F2 Pro comes with Android 10, MIUI 11 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 650. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.67 inches screen size with IPS display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 395 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Whereas Poco F2 Pro comes in 6.6 inches of screen size with Super AMOLED capacitive display that comes with resolution 2100 by 1080 pixels with 395 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection on the front and the back side of the phone. Talking about the internal memory, then Xiaomi Poco X3 is available in two variants. One is 64GB and other one is 128GB with 6GB RAM and also supports micro SD XC. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in colors. Moving on to Poco F2 Pro, it is available in two variants of primary storage. One is 128GB comes with 6GB RAM while the other one is 256GB with 8GB RAM, but it doesn't support external memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, that is produced in grey, purple, white and blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Xiaomi Poco X3, it measures 165.3 by 76.8 by 9.4 mm of height, width, thickness and 215 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. Whereas Poco F2 Pro, it measures 163.3 by 75.4 by 8.9 mm of height, width, thickness and 218 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Xiaomi Poco X3 comes with quad camera setup that is 63, 13, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.9, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and with depth sensors. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and full HD at 120 frames per second, also equipped with 20 megapixels selfie camera with 2.2 aperture with wide angle that can record videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Poco F2 Pro, that comes with quad 64 plus 5 plus 13 plus 2 megapixels primary cameras with wide telephoto, ultra wide and macro angles with depth sensors. It shoots out videos of 4320p at 24 or 30 frames per second while 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second and also equipped with motorized pop-up 20 megapixels wide angle camera for selfie shootouts that can do recording 1080p at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Xiaomi Poco X3 you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like accelerometer, compass, proximity and gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNE, hotspot, dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, but there is no FM radio. Type-C reversible connector is also available with the set USB on the go. Fast charging with 33 watts. This phone is powered by a non-removable 5160 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Poco F2 Pro, you can find under-display optical fingerprint scanner that comes with different sensors like barometer, gyroscope, accelerometer, compass and proximity. This phone comes with Wi-Fi Direct, Wi-Fi, dual band, Bluetooth, hotspot, GPS, NFC, infrared, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast charging with 33 watts and can charge the device 100% in 63 minutes that they claim. This phone is powered by non-removable 4700 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.